Dialymed has been at the forefront of our battle against renal diseases. Dialymed has served numerous patients since they turned their life-saving machines on. Now, we are here with the people who shares the vision of the center to formally and officially open Dialymed to the greater public.
A pleasant morning to all of you, and to our healthcare workers who never hesitated to give the utmost care to our patients, even in the time of the pandemic. Ang mga bayani namin na hindi kailamang sumuko sa kanilang tungkulin tungo sa pagpapagaling ng ating mga kababayang nangangailangan ng aruga. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
With the opening of Dialymed, we have made hemodialysis more accessible and convenient for our CKD patients because this unit is now closer to their homes. I also encourage everyone in the team to let us continue with our commitment to uphold the mission of this company, which is primarily to give our patients affordable yet high-quality renal care. In this way, we are already giving back to our local community by contributing to the promotion of a better healthcare system in Caloocan City.
We're very thankful for the company for trying to invest pa rin sa magagandang proyektong katulad nito. Again, hindi kaya ng gobyerno mag-isa. Kailangan natin ng Dialymed para tulungan ng komunidad natin, i-combat natin yung sakit nito. At least, may hope para tayong mabuhay.
Sana po ang Dialymed at ang lungsod po ng Caloocan ay patuloy na magkaroon ng pagkakatulungan para po mas mapaganda pa o mas mapangalagaan pa ang kalusugan ng mga batang kangkalu. Dahil bilang isang lingkod bayan, isa lang naman po ang aking hiling at ito po ay patuloy ho tayong magsama-sama at magtulong-tulong na umukit ng daan tungo sa mas magandang kinabukasan.
On behalf of Senator Bongo, nagko-congratulate po kami sa Dialymed para sa grand opening nitong bagong facility.
It takes a village talaga. Kumbaga, tulong-tulong parte-parte tayo. So, kumbaga, with the help of private and the government, sa pagtutulungan po ng parehong partido, may magiging masaya po tayong pasyente. Kahit na po sa gitna ng kanilang paghihirap, may makikita po yung ngiti sa kanilang mga labi dahil mayroong mga naaasahang parehong private at government sa kanila pong dinaranas. So maraming salamat po.
At the end of the day, to the people of Caloocan afflicted with renal disease, rest assured that our group, from the board of directors up to the staff, will give our very best to deliver the best service and care that you truly deserve. Thank you and have a nice day po.